Hi viewers, I am back with an interesting lesson how to combine sentences using neither nor with an attractive and simple steps. First of all, let's see how do you pronounce it. You can pronounce two way, neither or neither. Once again, neither or neither. It is just a matter of your choice or your opinion. You can select anyone. Okay, what is meant by neither nor? It is a correlative conjunction. Already we have learnt about the correlative conjunctions in previous videos. We use neither nor when we talk about two negative alternatives. Okay, now let's see 5 simple steps to combine sentences using neither nor. If the words no, not, never, also, either, to are included in the sentence, they should be omitted or removed because these all words refer to negative sense. The next step, identify different words and phrases of both the sentence. You have to identify different words or phrase given both sentences. Then the word neither write just before the first identified word and write nor just before the second word. Then remove one set of similar words or phrase. Look at this structure of the verb. The auxiliary verb do plus v1 is equal to base form of the verb, but the auxiliary verb does plus v1, it becomes s form of the verb, and the auxiliary verb did plus base form of the verb is equal to v2 form of the verb. For example, do plus go, it becomes go, but does plus go becomes goes. Did plus go becomes went. You keep it your mind. Then when you use neither nor, there is subject and verb agreement. Verb should be written according to the number of the subject in the sentence. That means if the subject is singular, verb should be singular. If the subject is plural, verb also plural. Okay, now let's learn perfectly with some examples. She is not clever. She is not beautiful. How can combine these two sentences using neither nor? So the first step, remove negative sense of words from these two sentences. You can easily find out there is not negative sense of words that you have to remove. Okay, then identify different words given these sentences. Different words. So here carefully notice, she is clever, she is beautiful. So here is clever and beautiful, they are different words. Okay, then write neither, the word neither just before the first identified word. So here what is the first identified word? Clever. So you write neither just before clever. Then write related word nor just before the second identified word. Second identified word beautiful. Okay. Then remove one set of similar or same words. So easily you can find out that she is. So we have to remove these sets plus full stop. Now we got correct answer. Look at another example. Prasad cannot speak English, Krishna cannot speak English. Here also same procedure. You remove negative sense of words. Here also same not. That you have to remove. Okay. Then find out different words used in these two sentences. Different words. So identify them. Here is Prasad can speak English, Krishna can speak English. So the different words Prasad and Krishna, another all words repeated. So different words Prasad and Krishna, they are subject. So the next step, write neither just before first identified word. So here is the first identified word, the person Prasad. So neither write just before Prasad. Here neither N should be capital letter. Then the related words nor write just before second word Krishna. Now remove one set of similar words. Neither Prasad nor Krishna. That is a correct structure. So we have to remove can speak English plus full stop. Okay, now we got correct answer. Neither Prasad nor Krishna can speak English. That means both are not able to speak English. Another example. You carefully notice this example. He did not buy a book. He did not give a book. How can combine these two sentences using neither nor? First remove negative sense of words. They are not. Okay, now identify the different words given these two sentences. He did. They are repeated. A book, repeated, and then remaining buy and give. So what are the different words given these two sentences? First sentence buy, second sentence give. So the next step, write the word neither just before buy. Okay, then related words nor just before give. Now we have to remove similar words from these two sentences. So he did, repeated. A book, repeated. So we have to remove these sets. Okay, now look at this sentence. He did neither buy, did nor give a book. I think little error are there in this sentence. We have to correct it. So already we have discussed about the auxiliary verb did plus V1 form of the verb is equal to V2 form of the verb. So did plus V1 is equal to V2. So you should apply that same formula here. We have to combine these two sentences. Did plus buy is equal to bought, V2 form. The same as here. Did plus give is equal to V2 form. What is the V2 form of give? Gave. So now we got the answer. He neither bought nor gave a book. Did you understand it? Okay. With another two examples, we can wind up this video. Carefully notice. Look at this example. Ramu does not know English. He does not know Hindi. That means Ramu does not know English and Hindi. How can combine these two sentences using neither nor? First of all, we have to remove negative sense of words. So here is not. we have to remove, and also we have to remove your another word too. So that 3 words we have to remove from here. Okay, now identify different words from given sentences. So Ramu does know English, he does know Hindi. So what are the different words given here? English and Hindi. Okay, now write the word neither just before English. Okay, the related words nor, that write just before the second identified word Hindi. Now remove one set of similar or same words. So Ramu does know, Ramu does know. So this is second part, we have to remove plus full stop. Okay, now Ramu does know neither English nor Hindi. We have to combine these 2 words, auxiliary verb plus main verb, we have to combine. Already we have discussed this. So here is does plus V1 form is equal to S form. So what is the S form here? Knows. So does plus know is equal to knows. Now we got correct answer. Ramu knows neither English nor Hindi. The last example. Jainulabdin had no formal education. He had no wealth. How can combine these 2 sentences? First of all, remove negative sense of words. As you know, no. Okay. Then identify different words from these 2 sentences. So Jainulabdin had formal education, he had wealth. So Jainulabdin, he had, both are same but different words here, formal education and wealth. Then write neither just before the first identified word formal education. Then the related words nor just before the second identified word words. Then remove one set of similar words or same words. So we have to remove this one. Okay, now we got answer. Jainulabdin had neither formal education nor wealth. I hope you are able to join sentences using neither nor. I will be back with another interesting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.